Okay, our rework quantity is 26. Let's fire up again.
Okay.
What I want to demonstrate now is how invisible problems are. Typically at HP, when we have problems, we don't have to worry about it because there's always plenty of material. Just pick the bad one in the can and grab another one. Under the stockless production concept, you won't be able to do that. Let's demonstrate how it works at HP now, though. What I'm going to do is take the shipping container, and I'm going to fold in these tabs, making it virtually impossible for Dave Taylor to package the unit in this cardboard sleeve. Watch what happens.
Yeah, boy, you're going too fast.
I'm down on a big red.
Hey, I can't get this thing in there. I can't get it. Is there an engineer in the house? I can't get this thing fixed.
Yeah, we got
Can't get it fixed. Is there an engineer? Hey, I can't get this thing in the box there. It's wrong. I don't know what it is. He keeps throwing stuff on me. I can't get the thing in the box.
Well, this is a simple thing to solve. You just push those tabs there.
I don't have time to push those tabs. The guy is pushing stuff on me all the time. I can't do that.
Look, Dave. HP is a pay-for-performance company, and you've got to work harder and you've got to work faster.
That's right.
You've taken half my time.
I'll do it. Okay. I'm going to get it.
Now, Dave's got to work a lot faster to make up for this defective material, which engineering management didn't take care of for him.
I'll get there. I'm getting there. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'm about there.
And because of Dave's haste, he's actually going to create more bad quality than we had to begin with. Okay? Okay, let's stop. Did you also notice that as Dave fought with that problem, the rest of the line was totally oblivious to the fact that he was in trouble? They kept pushing material on him. In fact, they buried poor Dave over here. But that's all right. We got plenty of material to work on, and we certainly don't want to be idle. So I think, in general, what we can say about a push system with plenty of material to work on is that quality problems are hidden. They're hidden. All right, now we're going to make a conversion to a full system. We're going to pretend that we've magically worked off all of our work in process here. We'd like to thank the staff of the Doubletree Inn for cleaning up our mess. Okay, let's imagine now we've adopted this stockless production concept, and simultaneously we've reduced our work in process and our batch levels to 3 now. And there are new rules here with the full system. We need to communicate our need for material. And to quote Bob Hall, don't make nothing for no one, no time, make them come get it. Is that how it goes? Okay. There's many ways to communicate this need. There's Kanban cards. You can holler, bring me more material. You can roll colored golf balls down pipes. There's a variety of ways to do it. In our one pilot project at Greeley Division, the Sparrow product, the people on the line use what they call Kanban squares, and they take pieces of tape, yellow tape, and they tape out a square on the table between each production worker. And what happens is when that square is empty, that is the Kanban, or the communication from Mark to Terry that he needs more material. As long as that square is full, Terry's going to be idle. He's not going to produce any more for Mark because Mark obviously doesn't need it. Okay? Those are the rules. Ready? Go.
Oh, thanks, Mark. I need a 3.
You're welcome, Dave.
Wait a coffee break you get started?
First couple of times we put on the show, it was very difficult for these people to discipline themselves, not to reach and grab for more material and push it on. Very hard thing for us to overcome. What's something else that you notice about the production area? What's the first thing that you notice? It's cleaner. Cleaner, yeah. In fact, It's so clean that we might even begin to think about a space reduction, but maybe not yet. We're still at 2 tables, but we can see a space reduction coming. Let's stop the line right here, and let's count what our work in process is now under this pulse system. What do we got? 12 units. Pretty significant reduction in WIP. All right, go, gentlemen. Again, there's a one-to-one correlation between work in process and cycle time. So, Larry, let's time the colored box again through the system. Go.
Pull up your area now, Gary. Got time.
Let's pay attention.
Oh, I just ran into that one. Okay.
1 minute, 40 seconds.
Quiet. 1 minute 40. Okay. Let's imagine now that we had the green dot problem again. We won't inject it here. Oh, I guess we did inject it here. Let's pretend that Dave had caught that quality problem again and we had to rework units with green dots. How many would we have to rework? Let's stop and count.
Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 10.
10 units is our rework quantity. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do now is convert from pull 3 to pull 1. This is the ideal that theoretically you never get to, but you're always striving to get to. We're going to work off our work in process till we get down to a batch of 1, and then we'll pull 1 at a time, okay?
Maybe. What was that? I'm glad I don't have to do this for a living.
So are we.
Thanks. Oh, thanks, Mark.
What are some things you notice now? What do you see that's different? What's the contrast to the first system? A lot less space. Yeah, we can think about a space reduction. In fact, let's try and do that right now. These tables are just a little bit different size than what we're used to, so it's going to be tight, but we're going to make a 50% space reduction right now.
Notice how management pitches in and helps you lay out the floor.
Okay. Go. And notice we're also going to be back ordered on green dots in a minute. We usually run out of something on every road show.
What you want to shoot?
All set?
Yep.
Go. A lot of things become apparent now. For a manufacturing engineer, he can begin to think about how he'd automate this process. These people are all physically linked together, and they're passing 1 unit at a time, and they're not passing it until the next person is ready. So, for example, Mark is idle right now. line imbalances are immediately visible because there's no material for Mark to work on until Dave needs some. Extremely fertile environment for engineering. Look at it in terms of automation and robotics. Okay, let's stop. What's our whip level?
1, 2, 3. 4 if he was in a hurry.
All right, let's be on the conservative side and say whip is 4. Dave's got 1 there. We're down to 1 table. Okay, fire up. Larry, 1 more time. Go.
Just hit it.
Stop, Larry.
You got it in the box.
Notice the contrast here. 3 minutes down to 19 seconds. Okay, go.
Impatient, George.
Oh, yeah.
You really got this job down now.
Well, I've had some training classes at HP.
Must have had a talk with your supervisor.
I did, yeah, he had to talk with me. I just hit a green dot one.
Uh-oh. We've got a green dot problem. We've got rework. We've got to allocate direct labor and material to solve this rework problem. How many?
3.
Haven't started this one.
Rework quantity, 3. Contrast the 26 under the push system. Okay. Now, remember the rules of the pull system. I'm going to inject this cardboard problem for Dave. Watch what happens to the rest of the line. Remember the rules. Can't build until somebody needs it.
Dave, I need a box.
What's your problem there, Dave?
Oh, we're running shy on boxes. Oh, hey, I can't get that thing in there. I can't get it in the box. I need help. Is there an engineer in the house? An engineer. Help. I need some help. What do you think we should do? I need help. I can't get this
It
thing in
must
the
be
box.
that tab problem again.
Yeah, I think it is.
Well, just temporarily push these tabs out.
Okay.
I'll go talk to the vendor right away, and we'll permanently solve that because we'll have him do these changes in the future, okay?
Okay, I'll do it. Thanks a lot.
Get that light off.
One other benefit that's immediately obvious here, if in fact Gary had done his job and gone to the vendor and solved that problem, there'd be a heck of a lot less defective material in our stores inventory and on the line to work off before that good material arrived. So there's lots of hidden benefits as well. So I think in general what we can say is that under this pull system, the quality problems are visible. And that's the end of our skit.
Thank you very much.